Good day, everyone. So, our lesson for today is about proving triangle inequalities. So, this is the first given triangle ATH. So, this is triangle ATH. ATH. Okay, so you're going to prove that AT, this one, plus TH is greater than AH. Okay, so we're going to prove that the sum of AT and TH is greater than AH. So the first given here, first statement, let M be a point on a ray opposite TH such that MT is equal to AT. So we constructed M here in a way that MT is congruent to AT. Okay, so the reason there is congruent segment construction. For number 2, we have MH equals to MT plus TH. So from M to H, that is equal to MT plus TH because of segment addition postulate. Okay, next number 3, MH is equal to AT plus TH. Substitution property. So since MT is equal to AT, therefore we can substitute MT by AT. So by using statement number 2, MT plus TH, so we substitute MT by AT. Okay, that's why it's become MH equals AT plus TH. Next is point T is in the interior of angle MAH. So MAH and this is T. So it's on the interior of the triangle MAH. Next is number 5. So we have MAH equals to angle MAT, this one, plus TAH. Okay, correct, right? That is angle addition postulate. Next is angle MAH. MAH is greater than TAM, which is also true because if A equals B plus C and C is greater than 0, then A is greater than B. Okay, because in order to equal to A, you must add C on B. So therefore, A is greater than B. Next is number 7. TMA, this one, is equal to TAM. This one. Because it's already established, right, on this one that MT is congruent to AT, and that makes this triangle an isosceles triangle. Therefore, the base angles are congruent. Okay, so that's why the reason for this is because of isosceles triangle theorem. So the base angles of isosceles triangles are congruent. Next, number 8, angle MAH, so this is from number 6, is greater than TMA. So since TMA from number 7 is equal to TAM and MAH is greater than TAM, therefore we can substitute TAM by TMA. Okay, so that's for number 8. Again, for number 8, it comes from number 6. MAH is greater than TAM And since TMA is equal to TAM, therefore we can substitute this TAM to TMA. That's why we have number 8. Okay, we have to find these angles. We have MAH, this one is greater than TMA, TMA. So this one is greater than this angle. Okay, that's for number 8. Therefore, since the opposite of MAH, which is MH, is longer or greater than AH. The opposite of this angle, MH, is greater than the opposite of this angle, AH. Okay, so that's for number 9. And through substitution property for number 3, since MH is equal to AT plus TH, so we can substitute from number 9, MH, we substitute to AT plus TH, which is from number 3. Okay, so that's it. We already proved that AT plus TH is greater than AH. So your activity for today is somewhat similar to this one, but don't worry, you'll have your choices. So this is the first choice. An equal angles theorem is two angles of a triangle are unequal. Then the measures of the sides opposite these angles are also unequal. Okay? So, and the longer side is opposite the greater angle. So this is similar to our triangle inequality, theorem 1 and theorem 2, SSAA, AASS. Next, law of substitution. I already discussed this to you. If the two quantities are equal, then we can substitute them at any time. Definition of betweenness, the quality or state of being between two others in an ordered mathematical statement. So example, if we have segment AB and x is in between them, so we can say that AX plus XB equals to AB. Okay, so that is definition of betweenness. Next, addition property of equality. What you add on the left side should also be added on the right side. So this will be your activity for today. So number 1, these are the given. Angle R is greater than K. R is greater than K. Okay, then T is greater than U. So this one is typo error. Okay, so that is your given. You're going to prove that UK from U to K is greater than TR. So number 1 statement, this one. Okay, so you already know the reason for number 1, right? It's the easiest. Anyway, these are your choices. Given unequal angles theorem, law of substitution, definition of betweenness, and addition property of equality. So for number 1, you already have your clue here. Then for number 2, we have KC is greater than RC. So where did it came from? From the first given, angle R is greater than angle K. Therefore, the opposite of R, which is KC, should be greater than the opposite of K, which is RC. Okay, so that's for number 2. Same with CU greater than TC. So CU, it's from this one. Since angle T is greater than U, So the opposite of T is greater than the opposite of U. So that's for number 2. Okay, for number 3, we have UK. So from U to K, wherein C is in between. So we can say that KC UK equals KC plus CU. Same with TR. So from T to R, again, C is in between. So we can say that TC plus CR or RC equals to TR. Okay? For number 4, KC, this came from number 2. So KC plus CU, since both of them are greater than, we can add them. Then for less than RC plus TC, you can add them also. Okay? Then for number 5, since KC plus CU is equal to UK, so we can substitute KC plus CU to UK, which is greater than uh, this one to TR. And that is our goal. So to prove that UK is greater than TR by the law of substitution. Okay? So you have your clue there, the different words that I use to explain this. And you also have your choices here. So that's it for today.